Here's how to upgrade your English from normal to advanced. Instead of I am very happy today, say I am feeling exceptionally delighted today. Instead of he is very angry, say he is extremely frustrated. Instead of she is very tired, say she is utterly exhausted. Instead of the movie was very good, say the movie was exceptionally impressive. Instead of this place is very beautiful, say this place is breathtakingly beautiful. Instead of I am very busy right now, say I am heavily occupied at the moment. Instead of he spoke very clearly, say he spoke with remarkable clarity. Instead of the exam was very difficult, say the exam was extremely challenging. Instead of she was very nervous, say she was deeply anxious. Instead of I am very disappointed, say I am profoundly disappointed. Instead of he works very hard, say he works with great dedication. Instead of the news is very shocking, say the news is absolutely astonishing. Instead of she was very surprised, say she was utterly astonished. Instead of the room is very quiet, say the room is completely silent. Instead of I am very confused, say I am utterly perplexed. Instead of he is very smart, say he is highly intelligent. Instead of the story was very interesting, say the story was incredibly engaging. Instead of she is very polite, say she is exceptionally courteous. Instead of I am very grateful to you, say I am deeply grateful to you. Normal, I am very sad today. Advanced, I am deeply sorrowful today. Normal, he is very brave. Advanced, he is remarkably courageous. Normal, she speaks very softly. Advanced, she speaks in a gentle tone. Normal, the food is very tasty. Advanced, the food is exceptionally delicious. Normal, I am very excited about this. Advanced, I am incredibly enthusiastic about this. Normal, he is very rich. Advanced, he is extremely wealthy. Normal, she is very careful. Advanced, she is highly cautious. Normal, the road is very long. Advanced, the road is exceedingly lengthy. Normal, I am very afraid. Advanced, I am deeply frightened. Normal, he was very rude. Normal, the class was very boring. Advanced, the class was extremely monotonous. Normal, she is very honest. Advanced, she is impeccably honest. Normal, I am very proud of you. Advanced, I am immensely proud of you. Normal, he runs very fast. Advanced, he runs at an incredible speed. Normal, the bag is very heavy. Advanced, the bag is exceptionally heavy. Normal, she is very kind. Advanced, she is genuinely compassionate. Normal, I am very lucky. Advanced, I am extremely fortunate. Normal, the problem is very serious. Advanced, the problem is highly critical. Normal, he was very calm. Advanced, he remained remarkably composed. Normal, the view is very amazing. Advanced, the view is absolutely stunning.